Welcome back everyone, Mariah Monetize here, and in today's video we are going over the news in the cryptocurrency space, and also going to be going over the price of Bitcoin as well as a great opportunity for you to earn some free Bitcoin. So it really does feel at this point like everyone is just trying to run for cover, and there is like a gunman just open firing on everyone when it comes to exchanges going down. It's like, who seriously is next? What we're learning is that everyone is just interconnected at this point. It's crazy how many connections there were to FTX. For example, I'm shocked that BlockFi has still not yet filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. It's shocking at this point to me. I definitely anticipated that to already happen. I think it could potentially come tomorrow, but definitely in the next week. And here's why. Basically, FTX gave BlockFi a loan for, I believe, $250 million in exchange for BlockFi sending FTX all of their customers' funds. Insane. Disturbing. Unfortunate. So, Gemini, which is an exchange that I've been using, so through all of this bullshit that's been happening, Gemini and Kraken are the ones that I think are the most likely to survive. But who knows? I mean, you cannot be safe anywhere. I recently pulled out cash from my Gemini account and I sent it to my bank because I think you are potentially in a better position if you have your funds in USD over coins because of the laws surrounding USD versus coins. But I'm not 100% sure on that. So, let's see, Gemini. We are aware of the Genesis Global Capital LLC, the lending partner of the Earn program. So Gemini has an Earn program where you can earn percentage back on crypto that you put in your Earn account. The percentages are very low, so no one ever really promotes Gemini. And I always thought that the Gemini Earn program was probably one of the most safest just because they had the most realistic returns. But in a video from a while ago, I was irritated that I had put GUSD in the Earn account and I wanted to withdraw it and it was going to take up to 5 days. So basically, Genesis, which is in charge, deals with the Earn program at Gemini. It might be easy to get those confused if you're not familiar with him. Has paused withdrawals and will not be able to meet customer redemptions within the service level agreement of 5 business days. So, excuse me. Just bear with me here. So, I believe that Genesis is seeking a $1 billion of help by Monday. So, Gemini Exchange fully back online. All customer funds held on the Gemini Exchange are held one-to-one and available for withdrawal at any time. From here on out, I'm hoping that no one will trust these exchanges unless they show us proof of that they are holding one-to-one customer funds. I knew this was going to happen in the cryptocurrency space. I just did not think it was going to blow up this quickly, that we were going to see fractional reserve banking within these exchanges. It was always speculated, but the banks have yet to blown up after doing it for all these years. So I kind of anticipated that the crypto exchanges were eventually going to blow up, and I feared that, but I definitely didn't think it was going to be this soon. Just in, crypto lender Genesis seeks $1 billion in emergency loan by Monday. Best of luck. So, off topic, but I saw this a few days ago. So, basically, it's not looking good for the student loan debt relief program. I believe the Supreme Court has dismissed it. Let's see. I don't think the crypto market fully understands what happens when the SEC makes 99% of tokens securities. This is why I believe we have seen the last crypto bull market. That's a pretty good perspective because if the SEC rules most projects as securities, then that might be what kills most altcoins. That could be the nail in the coffin for sure. So, here's some perspective here. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I feel that I have a better chance of getting my funds back with Celsius than I do at FTX. FTX has turned into a complete an embarrassing shit show of what we are now finding out that is happening behind the scenes. Employees taking personal loans to buy mansions in the Bahamas. We know that SBF took personal loans for billions of dollars. The mismanagement of money is unbelievable. And I believe the only reason why SBF is not handcuffed at this moment is because he has paid people off. Probably ahead of time. It's really, really unfortunate. So, Simon Dixon said, I definitely won't be doing this, but someone sold their Celsius claim for 19 cents on the dollar. I'm pushing for much better for those that can hold out. Not financial advice. So yeah, some people are basically selling their Celsius accounts for pennies on the dollar. I'm not recommending it. I'm not looking into it, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, like I said, FTX used company funds to purchase luxurious homes in the Bahamas. And this is from court filings. This is my favorite tweet of the day. Are you guys ready? Nancy Pelosi to step down as leader of the House to focus full-time on insider trading. Oh, that was my definitely favorite tweet of the week, actually. All right, according to public records, El Salvador currently holds for 2,000 Bitcoin, averaging just over $43,000. The country has spent over $100 million on BTC purchases, and the value of the same BTC currently sits at just under $40 million. So, also, El Salvador president has announced that he is going to be purchasing 1 Bitcoin every single day. So I have not gotten the chance to watch this video yet. It seems to be a short video, but go ahead and head over to Aaron Bennett's Twitter handle. And he has a video here explaining what to happen here if your claim is not correct when it comes to Celsius. So, here's some perspective. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, sold over $1.6 million in Coinbase shares. So, take what you can out of the sinking ship in the real world. That is, pre-crypto CEO never sells his or her own shares while shouting, all is okay. SBF received $1 billion in personal loans from Alameda. Canadian crypto exchange BitVo agreed to be acquired by FTX in June of 2022. Now the exchange was able to back out from the deal, and CEO is happy the acquisition didn't close. So, if you have not yet, I highly recommend checking out Fold. It's actually a really fun way to earn Bitcoin. You don't have to pay anything. You create an account, you get to spin the wheel every 20 hours. I think I'm allergic to something in this room. I'm so sensitive to scent fragrances. Oh, they destroy me. Fold app here. And right when you sign up, you get 5,000 free Satoshis. So, over here to the price of Bitcoin. Tesla fell again today, sitting at 183. It's going to take a look over at Bitcoin here, sitting at $16,679. Yesterday the charts were conflicting. Saw some bullish momentum or, structure, some bearish momentum. Weekly chart on Bitcoin just looks so terrible. So terrible. But if this week's candle goes below the low of last week's candle, 15,555, whoa. It's going to get ugly. Nothing has changed on the daily chart. It's still leaning bearish. This right here is a 12-hour chart. Not giving us a ton. I really wouldn't hold on to anything on that 12-hour chart. This is a 4-hour chart here. Let's see if it can make a higher high and get above the high of about 17,106. Then I'd be interested. But hey, 1 hour is looking pretty good. 1 hour has made a higher high. 30-minute chart here also made a higher high. 10-minute chart here also making a higher high. So these lower level time frames are looking pretty decent. Might not be a bad idea to grab a short-term position. 5-minute looking okay. Ethereum is sitting at just above $1,200. Core Scientific 18 cents. Gold 17.60. Coinbase stock sitting at 48.79. Well, I feel like my throat is seriously closing, so I'm gonna have to end this video here. that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, full app down below. Check it out. To get yourself 5,000 free Satoshis. That's all that I have for you today. Hopefully my third doesn't close, and I'll see you tomorrow. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.